guys. So what started as simply taking out the front traction bar mounts is now getting me into a further project, naturally. So I didn't realize, I mean, it makes sense, but I can't get the inside of these nuts off of the traction bars, so I'm going to actually remove the skid plate so I can get access to the side cutout. So on the bottom of the skid plate, you've got 2 bolts here, or 2 nuts here, 2 here, 2 there, 2 on the other side, and 2 right up front, and they are all 15 millimeter. Yep, all 15 millimeter. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get those knocked out. Hopefully the camera's focusing. Kind of hard to tell, but on second thought, we're not actually going to take out these bottom. We hit those 2, we're going to undo these sides, and then should be done. So we'll slide over this side real quick. And this is going to segue into the transfer case fluid change, so I'm not upset about that. Thing that you need to be wary of is the weight of the skid plate. It's not heavy, it's just super awkward. Alright, so now that the skid plate's down, go ahead and remove those. There's another bushing. I don't think this side had any. Alright, so now that the skid plate's out, I might be able to reach my arm in there to get on the back side of these nuts. Alright, now so both of the front traction bar mounts are out. So what we're going to do real quick when we got that set up on hyperlapse is throw in the lower catch can mount that we fabbed up.
Yeah, boy.
So let's see, it might have been kind of hard to see between the last two. Let me zoom out here a little bit. So we had this upper mount that I fabbed up. However, it was bouncy, as you guys saw in the original video. But as you can see now, I'm putting quite a bit of pressure. It's not moving whatsoever. So the real weight came from the addition of the AN fittings, because I wanted a ball valve to be able to drain the oil out. So that's a real simple rigging of fittings together. Then let's see how good of a shot we can get. So we've got it velcroed on the bottom here, which this side might not be completely flush, but still, it's not moving. It's not that big a deal to me. The back side is mounted up good, and it's not going anywhere. So I mean, the fender wall would have to come out for the mount to the catch can to move it all. But again, I'm super proud. I mean, you gotta really torque it just to get this thing to wiggle down below. I think that's it. Darren's gonna be here in a little bit. We're probably gonna mess around a little bit, talk about upcoming plans and whatnot. I got everything that I needed to for today done. Tomorrow I will probably continue working. Now that this is securely mounted, I'm gonna go ahead and start running the lines for the catch can to the manifold breathers. Everything is off the powder coat. So yeah, everything's rolling. Appreciate you guys watching.